Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm Cassidy, otherwise known as Curls and Eyeliner, and this is my second Halloween tutorial. I am coming to you as a party animal. I love this look. It's so easy, it's so lazy, it's so punny, but basically you get a sweatshirt, you put party on it. I actually got this from Forever 21 a couple of years ago, so they probably don't make it anymore, but you know, simple thing to do. And then you can do your face as any animal you want. Today I come to you as a deer. So before we jump into this tutorial, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notifications every time I upload. I've got 5 more Halloween videos coming to you in this series, and I post other cool stuff, you know? So if you want to see this look, keep watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it. All right, see you in the video. All right, guys, let's jump into this tutorial, taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Truffle all over my face. And then I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. And I am at the bottom of this tube. I am scraping, guys. Now going into highlight and conceal, I'm using LA Girls HD Pro Conceal in Toffee. I wanted this as bright as I could possibly get it, and I am taking that into some pretty big sharp triangles under my eyes, and on my nose I want it to be pretty wide, and then everywhere else is just going to look normal. And I'm just going to take my sponge and blend it out. All right, for contour, I'm taking Pro Conceal in Mahogany, and I am making some pretty sharp triangles on the sides of my face. And then I'm gonna go down the sides of my nose, making sure it's pretty broad. And I'm going to go up in the corners of my forehead. I want this to be as angular as possible. You wanna look sharp. And then just blend it out. Taking this SL Miss Glam small contour brush just to blend out my nose with. And then I'm setting with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. Y'all already know. And I'm actually baking this time, guys, because I want this highlight to be bright AF. setting that contour with my Black Radiance pressed powder in Ebony, and I'm just taking it on that small contour brush again so that I could get it really precise. Now I'm just setting my entire face with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. Taking my Benefit Brow in number 5, and I am sculpting out my eyebrows. I wanted them to be pretty sharp and angular like the rest of my face, so I'm taking them upwards toward my temple. And then I used some hair light strokes and I feathered them out as much as possible. All right, now for the eyes, I am taking Rebel, Leader, and Activist from the Tartelette and Bloom palette into my crease. I'm basically doing a soft cut crease here. And then from the same palette, I'm taking Flower Child onto my lid. Taking the Starlux liquid eyeliner in black, and I am making a wing, a super sharp wing. And then you just want to drag it down in that inner corner and then connect it from the bottom up into your waterline. And then I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil and putting that in my waterline and a little bit below and making a new inner corner. Taking Rebel and Leader from that palette and putting it underneath my new waterline to give it some definition. Coffee. Now for the nose. So you want to go pretty much at the very base of the tip of your nose, and you're going to make a heart-like shape and then just drag it all the way around and fill it in. For this, I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide, I don't know, eyeliner in Perversion. I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag this month, as well as that IT Cosmetics press powder. And then you know, take that line down. Added on some lashes. I put on some that are flared out to the end because I wanted to draw my eye out. So now taking that white eyeliner pencil, and I am making some dots on my face because deer have dots. And they don't have to be perfect and symmetrical, but I'm a little OCD, so mine were perfect and symmetrical. Alright, taking a black lipstick. This is Bane from Milk Cosmetics, and I'm putting that on my upper lip. Taking a nude. I got this one in my glam bag as well. It is Rimmel London, Kate Moss, can't remember the name. I'm putting that on my bottom lip, and then I am just putting some setting spray on my face, and we are done. This party animal is here until about 9 p.m. and then she's going to bed. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.